Hey guys, I was at Costco today. It looks like they have another drone on sale at Costco, which is pretty cool. I think I saw this last year, but it's the Propel Ultra X Wi-Fi HD video drone for $80. Now, there's other similar drones on sale of the similar size and range at online, and I'll leave the link below as well. This interesting part is that it comes with unlimited parts for a year, which is nice, and it does do streaming video to your smartphone. Also, basically has a auto stabilization. The built-in onboard camera is only the resolution is 1280 by 720, which is HD, but low res compared to, well, it's better than some other ones. This is HD, but at the same time, this is pretty cool. It has a 2.4 gigahertz remote control, which is cool, which means that you can have a good range of about 300 feet or so. The video, of course, is different. The streaming video goes to your cell phone at about 180 or up to 180 feet, which that means after 180 feet, you won't be able to see your video anymore, and you'll be just looking at that drone at 300 feet for the live video stream. So overall, it looks pretty cool. It looks pretty awesome in terms of as an awesome Christmas gift for your 14-year-old or above. It does come with a memory card. I'm guessing 16 gigs because that's the typical, and it also comes with 2 batteries. But the batteries takes about 1 hour to charge for 8 minutes of flight time. So pretty interesting. It's not bad, but it's actually pretty cool for what you get in terms of value because of the two batteries, as well as it comes with a card. Pretty much it comes with everything you need to do to play, which is pretty cool. It's perfect as a Christmas gift. Anyways, guys, I figure that's about it. I let you guys know first. Like, subscribe, hit the bell button for more Costco notifications and finds and stuff like that. And see you next time. Bye-bye.